next topic is division of fractions. But before that, you need to learn about reciprocal. What is reciprocal? Here I written one definition. Reciprocal of a fraction is obtained by inverting it upside down. One more definition I written here. Change the numerator and denominator. Okay, let's take one example 2 by 3. Then the reciprocal of 2 by 3, it's a 3 by 2. Change the numerator and denominator. Right? 3 write down in numerator, 2 write down in denominator. If 1 by 7, then 7 by 1. If 5 by 13, then 13 by 5. This is reciprocal. Right? One more thing. If we multiply any number with its reciprocal, then always we get answer as a 1. Okay, 2 by 3 and reciprocal of 2 by 3, it's a 3 by 2. Now multiply these two number, 3 3 cut, 2 2 cut, always you get 1. Okay, so if you multiply any number with its reciprocal, then always we get answer as a 1. This is the property of multiplicative identity. Okay, then division of fractions. If two fractions, that means p by q divided by r upon s, then we do not need to do division process here. But one more thing, if we write in the division, that means we can write like this, p by q divided by r by s. Right? Now we use here reciprocal property. Now in denominator it is r by s, right? Now multiply this r by s with its reciprocal. So reciprocal of r by s, it is s by r, right? If we multiply denominator with s by r, then similar things we need to do in numerator even. Right? Now what we do here, we multiply and divided by s by r. Then this s by r is same, so it's a cut. That means our equation is same, right? But we just try to change the form of our equation. That means if we multiply and divide same number with the numerator and denominator, then even our equation remains same. Right? Right now we do not need to cut here, but we want to change the form of our equation. That's why we do the process. Right? Let's take one example. 2 by 3. If you multiply and divide it by 2, right? Then 2 to the 4 in numerator. In numerator 2 to the 4 and denominator 3 to the 6. Right? Then even here 2 to the and 2 3 the. So 2 by 3, right? So it's the same. That means 2 by 3 and 4 by 6 both are same. Right? 2 by 3 and 4 by 6 both are same. But what we do here, we just multiply and divide it with the same number. That means 2. Right? So if we multiply and divide with the same number, then our equations remains same. Now after applying this, what we get? Now here in denominator, we multiply a number with its reciprocal. That means our denominator becomes 1 right now, because SS cut, RR cut, right? So we do not right now in denominator nothing is remaining, right? That means if we multiply this number with its reciprocal, then our answer is 1. And we know one thing, that means we do not need to do division with 1. Right? Because any number, if we divide with 1, then we get the same answer. So that means that right now we do not need to divide with this number. So what we need to do here, only we need to do multiplication process. So this method we develop here. Right? What we need to do, just p by q as it is. If we do not want to do division process, in place of division just write down multiplication sign and take inverse of your second number, r by s, then reciprocal s by r, right? I explain you, if we divide with the reciprocal of denominator, that finally we get this, right? So we can make this formula. That means first number as it is, in place of division write down multiplication process and take LCM of your second number, you will get the same answer. I give you one example. If we divide 5 by 3 divide by 3 by 2, okay, then what we need to do here, first number is as it is. Here in place of division we need to put multiplication sign and take reciprocal of second number. So 3 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 3, right? So now our division is converted into multiplication, and multiplication process is very easy, right? Numerator versus numerator, 5 to the 10, denominator versus denominator, 3 3 the 9. So we easily get the answer of division, 10 by 9. Okay, so just we try to convert our division into multiplication. Now let's take one more example. 7 by 9 divided by 5 by 3. So first number as it is, in place of division we need to put multiplication sign, and in place of 5 by 3 I can write like this, 3 by 5 reciprocal, right? Now numerator versus numerator, 7 3 is 21, 9 5 is 45. So this is our answer. So we easily get the answer of division process if we convert our division process into multiplication process. Okay, so here our theory of fractions is done. If you have any doubt, just write down in comment section. Okay, I will give you the answer in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.